Hello everyone, this is the warehouse we are specially using for consolidating all the products from different suppliers. And you can see for here, I think we are the only one company in China that provide this consolidation service, because we are not only because normally this kind of services is provided by shipping company, but they will not like doing this very carefully. And also they will not inspect all the products very detailedly. For us, we have this kind of services, like we have a special inspection team. They will open and check all the products for you, and also we will do the repackaging, labeling, and reinforcement for you if you need. Though consolidation sounds like a simple job, as my experiences, we need to keep patient and careful. We have many customers from Amazon, and we know Amazon rules. You can see this packaging. Our package is very uniform because we will always choose the suitable volumes for our customers in case not to increase too much in your shipping price. When we consolidate all the products from different suppliers, some customers may need us to open the boxes and check if the quantity is right, if the quality is good. So here in this area we will do a random check for our customers. We are not only just consolidating this cargo, but we will open and check, and after that, after the quality and the quantity is right, we will repack them there and put the cartons back into our storage areas. But now I want to say something more about the inspection. For this kind, maybe for example, this kind of surfaces, you want us to check if the quality is good or not. But in here, after touch or after that, we cannot judge if this is good or not. But if we can only check if this one is defeated, is broken, or this color is right or wrong, or the quantity is right or wrong. My suggestion is, for quality check, it's best to buy some samples and send it to us before our inspection, so we can better check for you. In our consolidation service, we need you to send us the list of the products, the quantity, and also the supplier information you send to us. If you are interested in this kind of consolidation and inspection services, you can contact our one-to-one agent. They will explain more information to you. This year, more and more European and American customers, they will have the needs for full inspection for all their products. For this kind of services, we have a special team that will do this kind of services for you on the second floor. Later I will show you the detail of this kind of service. For inspection services, we have a random check and a full check. For random check, we will open the boxes and basically checking the details of the products. But for full check, like our staff, they will open every package, every small package inside the box and check very carefully for all these data of your product, and pick out the defeated products and repack and pack the good one inside. So this is full inspection. For like this, you can see this is the original box from supplier A and from supplier B. But here we will take this out and put them into one new boxes that with no Chinese marks. In China, few companies can do piece-by-piece inspection, but we continue providing this kind of services of consolidating and inspection for customers to maximize satisfy customers' needs.